So coming to Arkana, leave your expectations behind. Leave all of you behind. Just come, and if you're looking at this and you know that it's time for you to come to Arkana, or you're even just researching it, it's probably a reason for you to come. When you come with an open heart, and you're going to leave with so much more. You're going to leave the things behind that you never realized you were carrying in the baggage, so your bags will be a little lighter, your heart will be a little lighter, and your soul will feel full. When I came to Arkana, I was not sure what to expect, but I just came open. The facilities are incredible. The way it's just managed from the beginning to the end, everything is well organized. Sometimes you wonder why they do the things they do or how they're doing it, but by the end of the week you realize that everything was in perfect symphony of how it was supposed to be done. The food, you're not going to lose weight here, even though you're so far up and you're walking uphill all the time, because the food is phenomenal. You're always going to want more, except for sometimes when you have to do some of the ceremonies, but even those, you look forward to it afterwards. You'll feel embraced with very loving, caring facilitators that just know what you need when you need it, even when you don't know that. And you're going to feel that you're supported all the time when you're going through anything you're going through. And this is truly a unique experience. So you can't come in thinking that your experience is going to be the same as anyone else's. And when you hear other people's experiences, remember your journey is different than anyone else's. And truly this is what it is. It's just a journey to go back to remembering what's truly inside of you. A lot of times we've lost, or the baggage has been put on top of us. And this Arkana just really helps you to clear the baggage and find your true self. So that's who you're going to leave with, is your true self, and with the tools to keep that in this crazy world of being so crazy and busy. The shamans, they speak to you through Mother Earth, and Mother Earth has all of the resources and anything you need you can find if you just look inside of yourself and you look to the universe and look to Mother Earth, and she'll bring it to you. And the shamans help to facilitate that. So if you're looking at this, it's probably time for you to come, and it's probably time for you to experience with no expectations. Let go. You're going to meet incredible friends that you never thought you would. You're going to be matched with the right group just because the universe knows how to make that happen. So come with an open heart, come with no expectations, and enjoy the experience.